Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classics Are Better. I'm Travis, and today is part 2 of the Bandit sand down, my 66 C10. We are going to be knocking out my old Stepside bed here, and I am hoping to find a lot more of this 503 green. Fingers crossed. Let's get digging. Okay, my friend, so the plan for today is to get this bed totally sanded down. So again, this is kind of a part 2 video. If you haven't seen part 1 where I sanded down the cab, check it out. I'll give you a second so I don't have any spoilers. Okay, it's been a second. It turned out like this, which was not as ideal as I had hoped. I thought there'd be a lot more blue for me to find in there, but that's okay. It is what it is. Today, I got to dig on the bed here and see what is underneath all this burgundy. I am hoping that this little sneak peek right here holds true for the rest of this thing, because I really like this 503 light green, and I am hoping that's pretty much what I find. So, quick plan for today is just to get this thing kind of built up on a dolly here so I can move it around, because I really need it to be horizontal instead of sitting up like this for me to sand on it, especially since I took the tailgate off. It's just super wobbly up there. It's kind of unstable. So plan is to build this dolly, get this thing laid down on it, get it out in my driveway over here, or my rear driveway, and get to sanding on it. I learned my lesson last time. Don't sand in your shop. It goes everywhere. All right, so here's what I'm working with. Just a quick review of the bed as it is. This is not the original bed for the truck. This truck originally came with a fleet side bed. It was that light blue, and this is obviously the light green. I prefer a stepper bed though, so this is what I like. I'm not super big about the spare tire holder here. I might have to eliminate that. I'm definitely gonna take this off, but I might have to eliminate the bump. I'm not sure how much that bothers me yet. They did go through here, and it looks like they put some square holes, kind of like a newer truck would have. Originally this would all be smooth. My theory is that they put in one of those things where they had like a wood, like the wood rails that come up on the side like old farm truck style, maybe for like advertising or possibly for function, who knows. This is an old truck. But anyway, it is full of dirt dauber nest and rust. I'm gonna have to go through here and replace all of these seals that the bed itself lays on, like the bed wood, as this is just total junk now. But anyway, I'll get that all done. But like I said, the goal for today is just to get this thing sanded and see what I'm dealing with, so I can make a game plan to put these things together, get this sucker painted, and move on to other projects. All right, so super easy on materials this time, y'all. 120 and 220 grit sandpaper disc for my electric sander. Same thing with the blocks here, and then a respirator so you're not breathing this junk in. All right, y'all, let's get sanded. Hey y'all, welcome to day 2. So far, so good. We are making some definite progress. You can see all the light green that was in fact under the burgundy. So I'm already doing better than I did on the cab. So the only downer for today is it is cloudy, it is windy, and it is cold. But I still don't want to mess in my shop, so I'm going to get out there and hustle on it till the football game comes on. Oh, so just a quick hey for y'all wondering why there's a wheelbarrow like just randomly in my backyard. That's where my septic sprinkler is, and I don't want to get sprayed with that. So yeah. Hey everybody, so welcome to a gorgeous day 3 out here. It is a whole lot nicer today. Had to stop a little earlier than I wanted to yesterday just because my sander started smoking real bad and turned off, and it still has not turned back on. So I guess that's why professionals use pneumatic ones. So I went out and picked up a cheap pneumatic sander. So let's get back to this. Before, after. Well, I think we have made some major progress here, y'all. So it's been an eventful couple days trying to get this thing all sanded out and having my sander bite the dust, all that kind of good fun. But I am a lot farther than I was just a few days ago. I have a pretty good idea of the paint situation for the bed and the cab of the truck now, where I need to kind of patch it in, what I need to fix, how I kind of want to blend the faux patina. Not 100% yet, but I'm getting a whole lot closer to kind of getting a plan together for all that. So hopefully that goes down soon because I want to get this bed finished and back on the truck. Before I do that though, I do have to still do a couple things like fixing the ledges, stuff like that I had told y'all about. And I still have to get that spare tire hanger off. I started messing with it and those bolts are seized up on there, so I'm just gonna have to like PB blast them overnight or something like that. But anyway, progress is progress, my friends. Again, thank you for watching very much. As always, I greatly appreciate it. Get out there, get wrenching if you can on something old, get it back on the road. Other than that, y'all, take it easy.